Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing my makeup and you guys are going to watch me get ready. My hair is pretty much done. I'm doing my short hair, my natural hair today. I've been doing my natural hair a lot lately and it's been feeling really good because it's been very hot. And it's nothing like being free from them damn wigs and that glue, because I don't know about y'all, sometimes the glue kind of breaks me out and it just doesn't do well for my skin and I just be irritated all around. Today glam is going to be very quick and easy. This is what you can do when it's a hot day and you're not trying to be like too caked up, but it definitely look like a beat, if that makes sense, but still come out and have that same look. As always, I'm using my Holy Hydration. Gosh, this bottle was dirty. I gotta wipe it off. But this is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. I've been using this daily. Well, every time I do my face, because I don't wear makeup daily every day. But every time I wear my makeup, this is what I've been using. It moisturizes me, keep me hydrated, not oily. So after that, then we're gonna take the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. We just kind of damp this all over and let that kind of just marinate. Okay, now our skin is prepped. Look at that, voila. So lately I have been using my LA Girl Pro pomade. I have not let this go and I am going to use it again. I'm sorry, I'm going to use it again in this video. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Quick tutorial, you guys. It's not going to be like a super like crazy too many steps. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible so you guys can watch me while I do this brow on camera. And I'm not going to take this off yet until our face is done. I got my hair wrapped up because, you know, gotta keep the hair laid, okay?
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Hey, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna run. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like, damn.
So now I am going in with my Fenty Beauty. This is the Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. And this is the only shadow we're going to be using. And I'm going to show you guys what I do. I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush. And we're going to go right on that lid. And I like to start on top of my lid. Like, so basically kind of damn near in the transition area. And since I didn't set my lid with powder from that concealer, I like to definitely make sure that I'm kind of like pressing the powder in, the eyeshadow in, before I start to like move my brush around, because we don't want any creases. And since this is going to be my bronzer and this is basically my contour shade, I'm just going in downward in my nose area, so you can also do that. Don't be scared to do that because we're going to use this for the contour of our nose.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fakes. And they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party.
Yeah, so I doubled these lashes. These look like some lash extensions, especially the way they kind of like curl. Y'all see that? Yeah, they giving though for sure. And this is kind of like what I wanted. I haven't worn any like real thick dramatic lashes. Well, they always dramatic, but they haven't been as thick as these, and I like it. So yeah. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade Spicy Brown 338. And I'm only doing one layer of this foundation, y'all. We only need one layer. I'm gonna move this all around. All we need, literally all we need, y'all. Look how I just moved that all around. I ain't even used that much foundation. That's why I like this foundation. I will always stick beside her, okay? Because one thing about it, never stir me wrong. Using the Neutrogena. A little bit of this here.
Looking the baddest, so the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch when I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like one, let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck.
Now we're gonna use the Neutrogena, and this is the last concealer we're gonna use. Okay. This is definitely gonna give you a brighter under eye. Now you can go in and start to set your concealer, but you know, I like a little razzle dazzle.
It's like going with a big ass butt, yeah. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Yeah, so I took this old ass, let me be careful because I'm getting makeup on me. What the fuck? Damn, see, this is the reason why I don't put shit on that I think I'm gonna wear, because I just fuck up. I'm gonna use, see, that's why I don't take this out. I'm gonna use this right here, this one, this shade. This is the Morphe HR Rich, that's Rich palette. But first, because this is very intense, a very intense contour palette and blush palette, so I'm gonna go in with something lighter first. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie bronzer as a contour, and y'all know I use this as an eyeshadow and for my nose contour, which I'm gonna go back in and fix, not fix, but finish.
It's like going with a big ass butt, yeah. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Hopefully my camera been focused this whole entire time. I don't know why I feel like it hasn't been focused. Hopefully it's been focused. For blush, we're gonna take this Makeup Revolution. It's loud as hell outside right now. Sorry. We're taking this Makeup Revolution, kind of like just dibble and dab in a lot of different ones, and I just go for it. This one, I usually don't use this one, so I'm gonna go in with this one today. This shade of pink. Okay. I'm using my ColourPop Lippy pencil in the shade, I think this is like brown or something. And then I'm gonna take like a brown from like one of my makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes. And I'm gonna go over that lip liner with that. This is what makes it stay on all day, y'all, I promise. I don't know what it is, but eyeshadow is like long lasting on the lips for sure. Now we're going to go in with the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Butter.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
And then I'm going over it with the LA Colors High Shine in the shade Baby Cakes. It's like a pretty light pink. Very intense, so you only need a little bit. Okay, y'all, so this is the entire look. I think I got this done in the amount of probably 15 to 20 minutes. Honestly, it probably felt a little longer because of course I'm recording, but honestly, if I was not talking, I'll be done like probably sooner than that. I love everything I use. It's very quick and easy. There was not a lot of products that I used. This was less products, less makeup. Everything was just really quick and easy. This is what I normally kind of like go for if I don't know what I'm doing. If I don't have a makeup look or if I don't know what to do with my face, this is exactly what I do. Now it's time for us to find our fit for today. So I think I'm going to keep this top on. Let me show y'all how this top looks. I've worn this top before, but I have not like really taken pictures in it and really got like real cute. So I think I'm going to wear this today. I did get a stain at the bottom of this from my makeup. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna stand back. So this is how the shirt goes. It's like it looks like an apron damn near, but this is how the shirt goes. It ties up in the back like that, and it's long in the front. Okay, but I got a stain on it. As y'all can see, I got makeup on it, and actually since I've worn it this way before, I think I'm gonna cut the bottom and like put on like some booty shorts, like some cute blue jean shorts, and just cut this bottom and make it into like just a regular crop little tee, because I mean we don't need that. We don't need this apron. It reminds me of an apron, but it's real cute though. It's real cute. It just reminds me of an apron. This is the shorts. I ended up cutting it. These were jeans, but yeah, I ended up cutting them into shorts. They're a little tight, little booty short or whatever. And the top, I showed y'all I ended up cutting it, and it ended up cutting into like a diagonal, so I kept it that way, kind of look cute like that. This is the bag and the accessories. Very comfy and very cute. Like they're like clog type of heels, chunky heel. Very comfortable. They're not uncomfortable at all. Super soft and comfy. Real cute, real cute. Period. So if you guys enjoyed this entire look, feel free to let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. And as always, make sure that you share this video, make sure you comment, and make sure you of course thumbs the video up if you don't do nothing else. That helps with my algorithm. I love you guys so very much. I'm out of breath because I've been trying to like hurry up, get ready. But this is the whole fit. This is the look. This is the look. Let me know y'all thoughts.